Hi guys, today we're going to show you 5 tips on how to release your inner alpha male. So, we might have done significant damage to the blueprint of Mother Nature, yet some things will never change. Our primal instincts still have a major influence on us, and alpha males will continue to get top picks of resources and women. So, if you're tired of scraping by or settling for less, then you need to stay glued to this video as I share 5 tips that will transform you into an alpha male. 1. You need to be self-assured because nothing screams alpha male other than a man that is self-confident. To unleash the alpha male within you, you have to be a man of high value that believes unquestionably in his own ability. Even though you are not yet successful, you're not afraid to fail. You consistently give things your all and passionately make effort to chase your dreams and be the best at whatever you lay your hands on. More importantly is the need to value yourself and have some self-respect. To become an alpha male, you need to be the prize, believe in your hype, and know within you that you're worth it. Because if you don't believe in your self-worth, how else do you convince others to respect you or follow you? Secondly, you also need to be charismatic. There's always an attractive aura around alpha males. So attractive that one would think they have a magnetic force field around them. This is why it's no surprise that alpha males inspire people and draw people to them. Whether it's their presence or entry into a room, they create a stir and effortlessly command respect and attention. This is one trait you must have. Even though charisma is not a trait that can be taught, yet the culminated effect of good body language, good sense of humor, and sense of style creates a charismatic effect that never fails to captivate the people around you. So be stylish, dress well, ooze sex appeal, be flirtatious, tell the most thrilling stories, and draw people with your ideas and vision. Thirdly, take the lead. There's no alpha male trait that is as important as this. Being a leader is the true essence of being an alpha male and the core reason for his existence. An alpha male becomes a leader not because he volunteered or was made the leader. He becomes the leader because no one else can match up to his ability or capacity as a leader. So, don't be a passenger in life. Be assertive. Be unruffled when presented with challenges, and take the lead in all areas of your life. Whether it's at your workplace, community service, or at sport, try to be the best you can. Dig deep within you and showcase your leadership skills. In social gatherings, be the one to make suggestions or plans. Don't always lean to the suggestions of others. Learn to lead the pack like an alpha wolf. A good way to build this trait is to observe the good leaders around you and learn from them. And remember, you don't achieve an influential and dominating effect on people by being a jerk. Leadership should never be forced, but through intellectual persuasion. And this brings us to point number 4. Valuing your health and fitness is fundamental to being an alpha male. Your body is the medium to which you experience the world around you, and as such, should be treated as a priority. An alpha male understands that good first impression matters, and thus takes care of his health, because without him being in good health, he's nothing. Consequently, it's important to rest well, work on your appearance, take care of your mental health, and eat healthily. Are you overweight? Hit the gym and burn some calories. You can't communicate strong and attractive by being obese or out of shape. It's also important you don't go overboard if you don't want to. While society might tout ripped abs and muscles as attractive, macho doesn't correlate to alpha, as many of them are not the most emotionally secure people in the world. Lastly, take risks, because outside your comfort zone is where magic happens. Unless you want to be mediocre, you need to take risks to achieve great things. To release the alpha male within you, you need to put yourself out there and take calculated risk that will yield in your favor. So, take a risk in your business. Invest in that startup. And while other guys are ogling a girl from afar, grow a pair and approach her. You only win a lottery if you buy the ticket. And remember, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos.